Are you missing important events because they are buried in your Yahoo Mail inbox? Learn how to automatically see them in your calendar. In this tutorial, I will show you exactly where to find the calendar feature and how to enable events from Mail so you never miss a thing. All right, let us start. First, go ahead and open your browser and head over to mail.yahoo.com. Sign in to your Yahoo Mail account just like you normally would. Once you are in, take a look at the main inbox screen. Now, this is where most people stop. They think the inbox is just for reading and sending emails. But there is actually a lot more hiding in plain sight. So now that you are signed in, look over to the right side of the page, just below your profile icon. You will see a button that says More. Click on that. This opens up a small menu with a few extra options that are not always front and center. I have tested this process a few times, and I can promise you it is really straightforward once you know where to look. From that menu, go ahead and select Calendar. This will switch your view from your inbox to your Yahoo calendar. And here is the really important part. You might not have used the calendar before, so do not worry if it looks empty or unfamiliar. We are about to fix that. Now, in the calendar view, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You should see a section labeled My Calendars. This is where all your different calendars live. Some are personal, some are holidays, and there is a very special one we need to find. Scroll down a little if you need to. Look for an entry called Events from Mail. This is the hidden gem. Yahoo Mail actually scans your emails for things like flight confirmations, hotel reservations, event invites, and even appointment reminders. Then it automatically pulls that information out and creates calendar events for you. I have used this for years and it saves so much time. Make sure the checkbox right next to Events from Mail is selected. If it is already checked, you are good to go. If it is not, just click that little box to turn it on. And that is it. You have just activated a feature that works quietly in the background. Now take a moment to scroll through your calendar. You should start seeing events appear that were automatically created from your emails. Some might be from weeks ago, and some might be upcoming. Flip through the months and days to get the full picture. I always recommend checking the current week and the next few weeks to make sure everything is there, and that is really all there is to it. Once this feature is on, it just works. You do not have to do anything special. Your calendar will keep populating itself with events from your incoming mail. It is one of those little setting changes that has a huge impact on staying organized. I hope this helps you keep track of everything important. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.